Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Dr. UUT lectures. The point of today's discussion is about probiotics. What are the probiotics? First, I will tell you what are the probiotics, and then I will tell you the benefits. Then I will tell you the source of the probiotics from where we can get easily. The very first point, what are actually the probiotics? Simple. These are the living organisms that are found somewhere and that I'm going to tell at the end, where small, tiny living organisms which are beneficial for human body when these are consumed in a particular amount. Okay, so probiotics are the living organisms when they're consumed in a particular amount by us, so it will give way too much benefits to us. It means they are very much beneficial for us. Now, the second point, what are the benefits of the probiotics when we consume probiotics? These actually increase our immune system, the very first, interesting. And it is beneficial for the gut activity. It increases the activity of the gut, so your digestion is actually kind of improved by consuming the adequate amount of the probiotics. And alongside, we have another interesting function of using probiotics, that is mental health. Your mental health is actually a kind strengthened. So mentally, according to your immune system and gut and so on and so forth. So all these actually kind of benefited when we take a proper amount of the probiotics. So the next point, where from where you can get this probiotics and what are the sources? There are several sources. Now the one and only that is actually abundant, that is yogurt. And we must consume yogurts, but in a very specific and particular amount. So that's it all about probiotics.